Attention flight school operators. Demand for flight training continues to increase, and keeping your fleet of aircraft's avionics up to date and maintained can be a challenge. And for many of you, your old GNS-430-540 series navigators are becoming obsolete and unrepairable, and repair downtime is hurting your bottom line. Taking your aircraft out of service to upgrade your aging and obsolescent GNS-series navigators in your flight training aircraft may seem like a daunting and costly task. Until now. Enter Avidyne's IFD series FMS GPS Navcoms. Avidyne IFD440, IFD540, and IFD550 systems provide ideal upgrade solutions for legacy GNS-430 and 530. Avidyne's IFDs feature the latest in technology, including hybrid touch, dedicated knobs and buttons, plus full touchscreen capability. Safety-enhancing 3D synthetic vision with terrain and obstacle alerting, plus display of ADS-B traffic and weather. Avidyne IFDs feature true flight management system capabilities. Avidyne's IFD systems are easy to operate for beginning pilots using communication and basic point-to-point GPS and VOR navigation, while still offering the advanced FMS features for those students working toward advanced ratings or looking to fly professionally. Avidyne also offers the Atlas FMS with all the same great features of the IFD series in a Zeus-mounted form factor for advanced FMS training in larger training aircraft. To make installation a no-brainer, Avidyne IFDs are designed as slide-in replacements for your legacy GNS navigators, meaning you can replace your old GNS units without having to completely rewire your airplanes. This means dramatically reduced installation time, less downtime, and significant overall cost savings. Contact Avidyne to learn more on how Avidyne IFDs can help you enhance safety, increase dispatchability, and reduce overall costs. And keep your fleet of aircraft flying.